Okay, I will go to the place that I am saying. Doon sa sinasabi ko nakakain tayo. Okay. Before we go there, let's look for anything to buy. And look for another place that can eat. Mukha naman meron pang ibang makakainan dito. Tingnan natin kung dito marami rito massage yung marami rito. You want a massage, tabi-tabi. So this is my night walking here. Later we go to the other side of the road because I will eat there. I will eat there. So kanina may nakilala tayo Malaysian kaya hindi ko na itanong yung pangalan. It's nice na may nakausap tayong Malaysian dito. Mabait mo, mukha naman mabait. Okay, I think I need to go on the other side or later I will ask the mango. So this is what I buy to my cousin. This one, this one. How big is this one? This is so this one. I don't know what to buy. Maybe I buy this. This how much? This same. And this one which is much better. I think this one. You have this one and this one. Three. Yeah. And this one. Okay. So, yun lang.